These are the 5 scariest bird sounds in the world. The last one will surprise you. But first, you'll have incredible luck tomorrow if you like. And subscribe to my channel within 3 seconds. Australian bustard.
Australian bustard. This one look like a lion. Lion sound. Lion. Yeah, same. This one
Screaming piha.
See? This one sounds like someone is screaming. Yes.
Horned screamer.
Horned screamer. I think this bird is angry to someone.
Black starling.
Black starling. I think this is fake. I don't believe this. This is sound like a baby is crying.
Wobbly bird.
Okay. Wobbly. This look funny, I think. Not